Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11. You have the airbag light on, and if you scan it, guys, it says something like passenger restraint system, but you get a scanner, you scan it, it says 93091C. Stay with us, we'll explain most likely causes that, how to fix it, and common mistakes people make when working on vehicles that can cause you thousands of dollars in damages. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Why? Because our mission here, guys, is to make sure that you work safe, and if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, they can kill you. So work on it if you're qualified and certified. If you're not, do not do it, guys. Now let's go ahead and explain what we need to do to fix that now. So specifically, this is a 2013 BMW 520i, and let us show you how the airbag light is on. We will have a message on the dash that will say passenger restraint system right there, passenger restraint system, you can see. And what can easily, guys, cause that, even on the dash right there, it says passenger restraint system. I'm trying to focus so we have less glare. Multiple things can cause that now. The only way to find out exactly what's wrong is finding, guys, a diagnostic tool scanner that can access the airbag module, because on the passenger side you will have multiple things such as knee airbag, passenger airbag. In this airbag itself, 3 things can go bad. We have 2 sensors in the seat, one that detects how heavy that person is to know if the airbag needs to be turned on. Number 2, you have a seat position sensor as well. Number 3, you have, guys, seat airbag, you have side airbag, curtain airbag, so multiple things can go on the passenger side. We'll be using that scanner here that we have connected to the diagnostic port right there, and we're going to find out what's wrong. This tool is amazing. It works practically on almost any car you can think of, guys. It's, in my opinion, one of the best tools for the money. So we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. But with the help of that tool, you can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data for your car, which can be amazing, guys, because nowadays these cars are complicated. This one on its own has about 60 computers, and we're going to prove you that. VIN number, auto detect, it's going to decode the VIN number, tell us exactly which one it is. We're going to select OK now to confirm. OK, and now we go confirm yes. This is F10 528i. It's going to load, it's going to turn the ignition switch off. Check this thing out. When the timer goes from 10 seconds to 0, it will turn everything back on automatically right after that. Check it out. Working on that thing now. You don't need to do anything. It's doing all on its own. So, getting there. Perfect. Now we'll go to diagnostics. Make sure the car battery is connected to a battery charger, because the you can drop quite a bit of voltage when you're doing diagnostics. We'll select control unit. Here I want to show you how many computers are. Under drive, 8 computers. Under chassis, another 15. Under body, I don't want to even count. Don't even want to count how many could be here. So that's unbelievable. The one that we need to find, we'll go to body, airbag advanced crash safety module. We'll click read codes. We have one code that relates to passenger knee airbag. Ignore that, we have it removed so we can fix the other problem. So the code that we have now, 93091C. Front passenger airbag stage 2 resistance too high. So that's where the problem is, guys. Now, we're going to go ahead, guys, and tell you now, when working on airbags, if you're qualified and certified, only do that. But you will need to, guys, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour so the airbag modules and computers can discharge. On these new cars, it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. How we know that? We made that mistake on a Mercedes, and we burned the airbag module that cost us $2,000 alone, guys. So check out, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first, which battery terminal to reconnect first. Next, we'll go ahead, disconnect the car battery, for at least 1 hour, even give it a little bit more time, and then we'll continue. We're here in the passenger side, we have the glove box completely removed. If you want to see how to remove the glove box so we can get to it, guys, find out about that, complete video will be on our YouTube channel, How to Repair, guys. How to remove glove box on BMW F10 or BMW 528 if you have, or whatever model it is, 5 Series, guys. Right here, now that's where our problem occurs now, guys. Okay, let me see now, okay, why we have that little bitty line, okay, that little bitty connector that's disconnected. I'm trying to figure out where that thing actually goes, but okay, let's just ignore that now for a second. I want to show you here, you have the passenger airbag right here on top now. That's a 2-stage airbag. One stage is right here, the second stage is right there, you can see. Now in order, guys, okay, in order to fix that problem, you need to inspect that wiring harness, okay, make sure it's plugged in. Sometimes, okay, people worked on the car or something and they didn't plug it in. That could be a common mistake. Number 2, it could be a blown airbag that wasn't replaced. If the car was in an accident, maybe the dash cover was replaced, but not the airbag itself. Number 3, it could be a damaged or defective airbag. Number 4, if somebody disconnected that wire, removed it and didn't do it the right way, that can actually, guys, okay, cause damage, okay, to the connector, the ends, the wiring ends and all that stuff, and that can cause that problem as well. Another thing, okay, number 5, it could be something completely different, guys. It could be the fact, okay, it could be the fact that actually the car was in an accident and that wire is melted. If that wire is melted, what can easily happen at that point, if the wire is melted and the connector wasn't replaced, that can cause the code as well. We have a video how to replace airbag connector. Our problem was actually somebody didn't connect in when working on it. I don't know what they were doing here, but we had a code, so we wanted to show you guys how it can fix that. We'll go ahead, connect it, turn the car battery on, and we'll see if that fixes the problem now. So when you connect them, guys, okay, gotta make sure that this connector is right here. Okay, let me see now exactly which way it went. Push it in, push the connector. So let's see now, okay, if that will fix our problem. So car battery has been reconnected on that BMW 5 Series. We're going to turn the ignition switch on. We're going to select here exit, erase codes. The only code that we will need to have left is only for the knee airbag. Okay, successfully erased. Let's check out that thing. Front passenger knee airbag resistance too high. The other code is gone, so that fixed our problem. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.